What is good, YouTube? If you haven't already, subscribe and make sure you leave a like for this video. I'm going to be doing a Travis Scott bird's eye view tour merch review. I went to the show in Oklahoma City. I believe every place he went to had a different style of merch in some way, or they just changed one single part. So let's get into it. So my first thoughts on this merch was that they honestly looked pretty tough and simple at the same time. So like you could really wear almost anything with both of these pieces. I think I paid 30 to 35 for the hat, or 40 to 45 for the shirt. I did purchase both at a show I went to in Oklahoma City, so it was straight from the merch sales, I guess. The sleeves are cuffed, which is really good, I guess. It's a nice fit, gives you a baggy arm look, which I really like. And as you can tell, it has a map of the Oklahoma City from like an aerial view, and the Oklahoma City flag. The hat has like this weird, crazy, like reflective look on it, and the back is Velcro, which was kind of a bummer because I really wanted better quality for both, but I guess it's Travis merch, you know. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe.